Hello, my friends. So nowadays, there is many people they are suffering with a lot of problems of loan settlement and loan harassments and a lack of knowledge on the legal aid, how to settle the loans, how to interact with the bankers, and how to manage the harassment calls and home visits. So for all these resolutions, we are providing the services. We provide the best and free services for uh, people who are really facing the problems in relating to the loans, unpaid debts. Yes. Initially, we will go with identifying the problem. For example, if you have a more loans and if you are not able to pay, how much is the loan amount and what is actually the problem we identify, and know your legal rights, because most of the people nowadays committing suicide, and they really don't know how to manage the problem, and their family faces a lot of issues, and they don't know what is their future. So we legally provide the complete support and guidance how to proceed. Connect with the legal expert. So you can connect directly with the legal expert and they draft and provide the solution, how to interact, how to manage the situation, how to close the loans. And initiate the loan settlement with all proper documentation without any future problems. Close with confidence. So you will be always confident and communicate correctly for closing the all the loans. So you can manage all the harassments of phone calls and home visits and uh, legal notices peacefully. So nowadays there is a strict rules for settlement. At the same time, there is a lot of harassments complaints going to the RBI, right? And legal notices become common and aggressive recovery follow-ups nowadays. The recovery agents they behave like harassment agents, right? They don't know, and common public they want to really threaten and make them fear, scared, and commit suicide. A lot of times it is happening. So we should be very careful about how to deal with them, interact with them, and communicate with them, right? And together negotiate without expert help. So it's that very tougher to negotiate without expert help always, because you should know that one, what is the legal aid and the legal sections and the legal remedies you have in order to protect yourself. So higher outstanding due to the compounding. So you have to manage these things. So when you know that one, how to proceed, when you have someone is supporting you behind you, do this one, do that one, you always be confident and you will close with the confidence you should not lose at any point while doing with the debts, especially financial. If you want to financial free, you should be very carefully handle all the things. So usually we provide the debt settlements and business loan assistance and personal loan solutions and mortgage relief. So whenever you are struggling with the loan repayments, we have got a recovered with the tailored loan settlement option to help you get back to the track. At the same time, we provide the settlement options, whether it is a personal loan and credit loan, debt relief, home and car loan settlement, and consult with the expert. Because if you proceed legally and everything can be controlled. So struggling with the business and debt loans. So the problem is financial drain, reduced settlement, and agents harassment through calls or home visits. Harassment shield we can provide, cash crunch, easy payment, right? And a legal threat, legal protection we provide. So some of the myths about the settlements: settlement is illegal. Loan settlement 100% legal process approved by RBI. When financial position is not good and when you are facing any kind of family problems and health issues or clearly loss of person, loss of job or anything whatever may be, and you will always be protected by the guidelines of RBI. It will ruin your credit forever. Your score drops initially but can recover with a good financial habits. Yes, only banks benefit from the settlements. Settlements helps you reduce your debt and get financially free. So when instead of debt, when you do certain kind of negotiation and settle the things, then it will be recovered. 5 reasons to choose the professional debt resolution services. Reduce loan burden. Your loan burden will be immediately reduced with the proper planning and payments, and protect your credit score and flexible payments plan, and legally we support in all the directions, and stop the harassment. So take control of your debt with small steps. So know your loan burden, loan settlement calculation to instantly understand your total dues and missed EMIs, interest penalties and more. Plan with the precision. Get an accurate idea of how much you can save by settling early and avoid years of financial strain, and move towards freedom. Make information decisions and start your journey towards a debt-free life, and confidently and strategically. So your step-by-step guide to stress-free loan settlement, free consultation we provide, and financial assessment we do for you. What are the loans and how much it is and how long it is pending, and entire financial engineering we provide to you, and proposal drafting. If any legal notices or contracting and negotiation skills, we provide help you, and the negotiation with the lenders, with what kind of grounds we need to approach and what way we need to approach, we completely guide to you, and the financial settlement agreement at the end of the day. This is most important in order to protect yourself in the future. So self together to negotiate loan settlement with your bank. Find out how much simplified loan resolution for stress-free financial future. So loan assessment or settlement offer letter, and how to settle it, and debt-free futures, right? Payment processing, negotiations, everything we provide in order to help you to close the loans. So so you need loan settlement when EMIs are piling up and you are sending you legal notices. Banks are sending you the legal notices, and a lot of other demand notices, arbitration notices. So we are ready to help any kind of notices. Your credit score is dropping, right? Need not worry, and we can manage this one. You are unable to pay even the minimum amount, so you feel financially trapped. So these are all important situations. So you need to take the help of uh, the supporting guide at very low cost or free cost, and we will help you always. So we offer basically the financial piece in your top priority. So and national reserve, we settle the loans across the country, and expert guidance, navigate loan settlement with all professionals. Taking a new loan to pay off existing debts is the best way to manage the financial stress. Never do this one, and this often leads to a debt trap. Exploring the settlement or reconstructing option is a smarter and more sustainable solution. Every piece matters when it comes to achieving the financial freedom. Understanding your debt, negotiating a fair settlement, getting your settlement letter and NOC, making timely payments. So this and all we support to you at the same time. So burden of unpaid loan, stress and sleeplessness. So these and all, whatever you are facing the problems, you just communicate to us and inform us. We will take care of all those things in order to clear from the problems. So negotiations, legal assistance and interest rate reduction, everything we can do. And we also manage recovery calls, agents visit and legal notice. Loan settlement, no harassment and peace of mind you can get. Free consultation and negotiation and payment processing, everything we take care, and till the loan assessment and the loan closure and settlement. So negotiating skills is required in order to negotiate with the banks on your behalf, and stop harassment from recovery agents, settle loans for lesser amount, give you peace of mind is more important. So these and all services we provide, and you can contact us for more details. One to one we can provide the best services.